Most luxurious train in the world. Luxury comes with no limitation, no budget, and of course, no imagination. In the past, traveling on a train was considered normal, and people would only dream of flying in an airplane. Today, traveling on a plane is normal, while some of us crave to speed off on a train journey, especially a train that invades the feeling of provisional king, living inside you as soon as you step onto it. An artificial moving palace where you can experience royalty with 200 wheels under you. We are talking about the most luxurious train in the world, the Maharajas Express from India. So how luxurious is the Maharajas Express? Before I reveal all, do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss a treat from us. The Maharajas Express was started in the year 2010 by IRCTC in collaboration with Cox & Kings India Limited. The joint venture was named Royal Indian Rail Tours Limited, which was assigned the management and functions of Maharajas Express only, but later in the year 2011, the alliance terminated, and it was exclusively controlled by IRCTC. Now, what is IRCTC? Indian Rail Catering and Tourism Corporation, IRCTC, is a public sector enterprise and a subsidiary of the Indian Railways, which employs more than 1.5 million people, making it the seventh largest single employer in the world. With over 13,500 trains running daily across 1.25 million kilometers of rail tracks, it is the fourth largest rail network in the world, ferrying 25 million passengers daily, which is equivalent to the entire population of Australia. What can you expect out of a train? A comfortable seat, air conditioner, Wi-Fi, safety and security, delicious food, best services, television, or a personal cabin at most. Our curiosity ends here, but as we say, luxury has no imagination. The Maharajas Express comes with a doctor on board, a private butler, a bar, a souvenir boutique, 2 restaurants, extra-large panoramic windows, gaming tables, library, bathtub, and cubicle showers and bathrooms with imported toiletries, water filtration plant, and we are talking about a moving train. The celebration starts right from the beginning. As soon as you enter the station, you are welcomed with thousands of flowers, live bands, and garlands, which will awaken the sleeping sovereign beneath you. If you are not fond of royalness, you will take a while to espouse to the royal treatment you are going to receive here. Maharajas Express comes with 5-star amenities and offers elective excursions and spas at hotels in different locations. It can carry a maximum of 88 passengers, which are outnumbered with the highly trained staff. Embroidered with the finest materials, Maharajas Express is the only train in the world with Makrana marble flooring. It gives you an imperial feeling and once-in-a-lifetime experience of the lavishness of Indian Maharajas, not to mention the private butler who helps fulfill your every single smallest requirement without any hesitation. Right from the wake-up call in the morning till bedtime late, our butler will be the one you can rely on. The unforgettable journey pays tribute to the regal lifestyle of the princely era, redefining luxury, comfort, and hospitality. Maharajas Express is active 7 months a year from October to April and halts at around 11 stations, the luckiest amongst the 8,000 railway stations in India. This half-a-mile-long train comes with 23 carriages, which include 14 guest carriages that are further divided into 4 cabins, namely deluxe cabins, junior suites, and a presidential suite. Coaches in the Maharajas Express are named after precious and semi-precious jewels, one of which is Navratna, the presidential suite, or we can say the heart of the Maharajas Express. Navratna means 9 planetary gems that are worn together in a piece of jewelry in order to harness energy for the one who wears it. The presidential suite of the Maharajas Express is the largest suite available on any train in the world, spanning an entire train carriage. It contains 2 cabins, 1 double-bedded and 1 twin-bedded separate beds, with en-suite bathrooms, 1 living area, and a minibar. When we talk about cabins in Maharajas Express, we're talking about the biggest cabins you'll ever find on a train at world level. The costliest ticket on the train belongs to the presidential suite, which amounts to $23,700 per head for a week of travel. Traveling includes 5 different states with varied cultures and traditions, 47 different languages, iconic destinations, World Heritage sites, and a unique perspective of India's state-of-the-art amenities. One of the oldest civilizations in the world, India promotes its tourism via its tagline, Atithi Devo Bhava, meaning honoring the guest as God. Be it the Monument of Love, Taj Mahal in Agra, or a tiger spotting jeep safari in Ranthambore, Maharajas Express helps you explore the rich heritage and the immortal beauty of this fascinating nation, mingling with royal elegance. It offers 4 pan-India voyages, including 2 Golden Triangle tours, comprising cities of Jaipur, Agra, and Delhi. While the financial capital of India, Mumbai, remains at the top list if you're visiting India for the first time, Maharajas Express helps you discover Mumbai, along with lesser-known but equally privileged cities like Bikaner, Fatehpur, Shikra, Varanasi, Khajuraho, and Lucknow. Maharajas Express comes with 2 theme-based restaurants, namely Peacock Restaurant, Mahur Mahal, and Havali Restaurant, Rang Mahal, which serves traditional Indian cuisine, continental as well as Chinese and other international cuisines. All the food cost is included in the tariff. The chefs in the Maharajas Express take huge interest in the taste and preferences of the guest and accordingly customize mouth-watering dishes for them. The food is served in a 24-karat gold plate, and if something you desire fails to exist in the menu card, you can request the chefs, and they bring it right in front of you within minutes without any extra cost. For it would be considered a criminal activity if even a penny is charged more, apart from the several years of savings you've already paid. Maharajas Express also has a bar, an unlimited flow of alcohol with the finest labels of spirits awaiting you in imported crystal glasses at the Safari Bar. If you're a teetotaler, you can taste world-class mocktails, distinctive iced teas, and fruit juices with names you might never have heard of. A decade of journey for the Maharajas Express saw some achievements, too, for its courteous hospitality. Maharajas Express won the 7 Stars 2015 and 2016 for Luxury Hospitality and Lifestyle Awards. It was also privileged with excellence in luxury at the Royal India Awards in the year 2013, and the cherry on the cake, World Travel Awards honored Maharajas Express with World's Leading Luxury Train Award for 7 straight times, from 2012 to 2018. A comfortable 25,000-mile flight around the globe will cost you more than $15,000. If you choose the Maharajas Express Royal Privilege, the same $15,000 is a 1,600-mile majestic train ride from the Indian capital New Delhi to Mumbai. Price ranges from the package you choose and the cabins you select. Currently, Maharajas Express is offering 4 different types of packages with distinct itineraries. For a 6-night, 7-day trip, prices start around $4,500 per head to $23,700. And for a 3-night, 4-day small package, prices will start from $2,900 and go up to $12,900 per head, depending upon your family size and the type of cabin you prefer. No one would ever have imagined the astonishing price one would have to pay back in 1853 when the first train was launched in India. On an average, an Indian earns $290 a month. A ride on the Maharajas Express means spending 6 years of an average Indian salary. Incredible India at its best. Not a journey a common Indian man can cherish, which means they will witness foreign footfalls more, and they are well prepared for it too. Over 12 million foreign tourists visit India yearly to explore its rich cultural diversity, but only 2,000 of the fortunate ones get to enjoy this unique traveling adventure. So if you want to explore India, explore the royal way. The world of red carpets awaits you on wheels, showcasing the secular nation right from its ancient architectural structures to the oldest cities in the world. There you have it, the most luxurious train in the world, the Maharajas Express. Would you have this on your bucket list? Let me know in the comments and support us by liking and subscribing if you enjoyed this video.